to build CRM using Claude Code. So if you want to build a CRM with Claude AI, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your browser at first. After that, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And then you need to go with Claude.ai. And it will take you to this kind of interface. So as you can see that it says, how can I help you today? Now, I'll just simply type a prompt asking Claude to build a CRM system. For example, like create a simple CRM system that can store customer names, emails, and notes. After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button, which will be on the right side. Now, Claude would generate the CRM structure, which may include like data storage, logic, and features for adding or managing customer information. It might take a few minutes or a few seconds, depending on your network connection. And if you want some more advanced CRM, you can include some more details in your prompt, such as user authentication, dashboards, or search functionality. You can also type create a CRM with a dashboard and the ability to edit and delete records. And Claude can also help explain on how the system works, improve the design, or add new features as needed. Once the CRM code is ready, you can copy or download the content and set it up on your computer or deploy it using a hosting platform. After that, you can open the project in your browser or development environment to start using and testing the CRM. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.